In this video, we're going to look at the Reconciliation Enquiry screen, one of the great tools in Sage 200C that you can use to help you investigate the cause if you have any imbalances between your nominal control accounts and your sales and purchase ledgers. The first thing you need to do is to ensure that you have set the control accounts in the Reconciliation Enquiry settings. Navigate to Nominal Ledger Utilities, Ledger Setup, and Reconciliation Enquiry Settings. Here, you need to specify the nominal control accounts you have set up for debtors and creditors. In our case, this is 14100 for the debtors and 25100 for the creditors. If you have more than one control account, be sure to add it here and then save that. Now you can go to either the sales or purchase ledger, and we're going to look at the sales ledger, and under Enquiries you will find the Debtors Reconciliation Enquiry. Open the screen and at the top select the period that you want to look at and click Display. The screen then shows you the period opening balances at the top here, and then a breakdown of the transactions from the sales ledger during the period in the middle section. And then any discrepancy, which would be the difference between the closing balance and the opening balance plus the net changes throughout the period, would be displayed here. You can click into the various sections, in this case invoices, to see a breakdown of the transactions that make up the total. To see more detailed information about the Reconciliation Enquiry, with the screen still open, click F1 on your keyboard, and this will take you straight to the online help page. You will also find pages that give further information to help you track down any ledger differences. And that is how you use the Sales and Purchase Ledger Reconciliation Enquiry.